In this video, you are going to see how to lock a shape in Microsoft Word so it can't move. Here I have a shape and I can move it. So let's get started. To make a locked shape, go to Insert, go to Header, and let us click on Edit Header. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this star shape and hold down the Shift key and drag it over here. Now if you want, you may change the fill color. If you want, change the outline. Now just put it over here and click on outside, and here you will see you can move it freely, and this is actually locked. If you want to remove it, again click on over here in the header section, or you can go to the Insert Header, go to Edit Header. Now select it and you can remove it. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.